Okay, number 4 is a similar problem. What is the value of x in the solution? So we've got to get both our equations into slope-intercept form. We'll start off with 6x plus 3y equals 13. And we need y by itself. So we have a 6x over here that's positive. So we subtract that. Cancels, and we have 3y equals 13 minus 6x. And you could write negative 6x plus 13. That's perfectly okay. We need to divide everything by 3. So we have y is equal to 13 divided by 3. And again, just leave it as a fraction. And 6 divided by 3, we could leave it as a fraction, or we might recognize that that equals 2. Our second equation was 3x, let's make sure I use the right variables, 3x minus y equals 4. Subtract the 3x, and now we have a negative y equals 4 minus 3x. Okay, I do have that negative sign here, so I've got to deal with that. And the way we get rid of a negative sign is we divide by negative 1. The only thing that happens when you divide by negative 1 is your signs change. So that becomes positive, a positive becomes a negative becomes a positive. So these are the two equations now I need to enter into the calculator. So again, we come back here to y equals, and let's go ahead and get these entered. Clear out what was in there. Clear. And 13 divided by 2 minus parentheses, oops, not parentheses, delete that guy, minus 2x. And our second equation was a negative 4 plus 3x. Okay, let's go ahead and graph it. We see one line, and we see our second line. So because we can see the intersection, we go ahead and do second, trace, option 5, enter, enter, enter. And it tells us it is at 2.1 and 2.3. Don't think I have that as an answer choice here. And let's just double check that everything is entered correctly. We have, it wasn't 13 halves, it was 13 thirds. This will probably happen to you once or twice too. So we go back, modify that, and let's graph it again. It's never good when you get an answer that's not listed. So second trace, option 5, enter, enter, enter. 1.66666667. Again, we need to exit out of here and find out what the fraction equivalent is. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the equivalent of that is 5/3. Do we have that as an option choice? Yes. So question 4, the answer is C.